You've roasted a chicken and are about to toss the carcass? You'd be wrong, as it can turn into a true liquid treasure. I'm sharing all the tips for making homemade stock, bursting with flavors and nutrients. Of course, we start with the roasted chicken carcass, and we add a few vegetables, including at least onions, leeks, carrots, garlic and herbs, roughly chopped for a good base. I often add celery, but it's important to note that it has a really distinct flavor. And you can also personalize your stock with ginger and coriander for an Asian touch, for example. Then you transfer everything into a slow cooker or a large pot. You cover generously with water, and here comes the magic step. You absolutely must add an acidic element to allow the bones and cartilage to release their precious nutrients into the liquid. So here I'm adding lemon juice, but it could also be apple cider vinegar. It works as well. And you let it simmer for 8 hours if using a slow cooker, or a minimum of 3 hours on low heat after boiling for the stovetop option. And here's the result: a golden stock packed with flavor and loaded with benefits. Collagen, gelatin, amino acids that will boost your immunity and support the health of your skin, joints and digestive system. So it's a real treasure trove of benefits. All that's left is to strain it and use it in your soups, risottos, braised meats, making it truly a health elixir and ultra easy to prepare. For storage, you can also easily freeze it to have it on hand whenever you need. To discover more recipes that nourish both body and soul, subscribe to Wholesome Kitchen Diary.